Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Google prepares to launch Nano Banana 2 Flash AI image tool. Google is reportedly preparing to launch its new AI image generation model, Nano Banana 2 Flash. The model is expected to offer faster performance and may be rolled out to free tier users on Google's platforms, unlike the earlier Pro version. References to the model, internally codenamed Mayo, were found in the Gemini app code, suggesting an imminent release. Nano Banana 2 Flash will likely emphasize a low latency performance and quick output, making advanced AI image generation more accessible and reducing data processing demands. Samsung releases One UI 8.5 beta for Galaxy S25 in India. Samsung has launched the One UI 8.5 beta program in India, offering Galaxy S25 users an early look at new productivity and security enhancements. Key updates include a refreshed Photo Assist feature for continuous non-destructive image editing and an enhanced quick share that automatically suggests sharing photos with identified people in the images. The update also strengthens the Galaxy ecosystem with storage share for seamless cross-device file access and introduces robust security tools like theft protection and failed authentication lock. Adobe and YouTube launched Shorts Creation Hub on iOS. Adobe and YouTube have partnered to create a dedicated Shorts content creation space within the Premiere mobile app for iOS users. This collaboration provides creators with direct access to exclusive Shorts templates, transitions, and effects. The new hub is designed to help mobile-first creators keep pace with fast-moving trends by offering professional-quality editing tools, including multi-track timelines and AI-powered enhancements like Firefly content generation. The creators can now publish videos directly to YouTube with a one-tap option. Adobe Motorola Edge 70 set for December 15th. India launch. The Motorola Edge 70 is confirmed to debut in India on December 15th, with sales starting the same day via Flipkart and the Motorola online store. The device will be powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC and feature a notably thin profile at just 5.99 millimeters. Key specifications for the Indian variant include a larger 5000 mAh silicon carbon battery with support for 68-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging, along with a triple 50-megapixel camera setup, dual rear, one front. It is expected to be priced around 35,000 rupees. OnePlus Pad Go 2 launch details confirmed. The OnePlus Pad Go 2 is set to debut alongside the OnePlus 15R on December 17th, with the sale starting just one day later on December 18th. Key confirmed specifications for the budget-friendly tablet include a large 12.1-inch 120Hz LCD display and a massive 10,050 mAh battery with 33-watt wired charging. It will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset and notably will be the first in the series to support a stylus. Pad Go 2 Stylo. 5G connectivity will be available on the Shadow Black variant. Apple Fitness Plus launches in India on December 15th. Apple Fitness Plus, the subscription-based fitness and wellness service, is launching in India on December the 15th as part of its largest global expansion. The service will be priced at 149 rupees per month or 999 rupees per year, with support for family sharing for up to 5 users. It offers 12 workout types, including strength, yoga, and HEAT, accessible via the fitness app on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV with deep integration for the Apple Watch. New users purchasing an eligible Apple device can receive 3 months of Fitness Plus for free.
Today's AI tool is DID. AI-powered digital avatars for video DID is an AI platform that transforms still images into realistic talking videos, eliminating the need for filming. Through its creative reality studio, users upload a photo and a script, and the software handles the lip syncing, blinking, and facial movements. Key features include Video Translate, which re-renders mouth movements to match dubbing in 30 plus languages, and conversational agents, real-time interactive faces for customer support. DID is ideal for scaling corporate training or marketing without a film crew.
Our lead story is about Tata and Intel forged silicon ecosystem in India. The Tata Group and Intel Corporation have formed a strategic alliance via an MOU to significantly boost India's domestic semiconductor and compute ecosystem. The collaboration focuses on developing a geo-resilient electronics and semiconductor supply chain, including joint efforts in systems manufacturing, packaging, and AI compute. Intel and Tata will explore manufacturing Intel products at Tata Electronics' forthcoming fab and OSAT facilities, aiming to scale tailored IPC solutions for India's rapidly growing market. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.